Is it possible to change a karmic pattern? सबसे ज्यादा पूछे जाने वाला सवाल. Do you ever feel like you're stuck in the same cycle no matter how much you try? Whether it's a repeating toxic relationship, financial struggle, emotional pain, these patterns can feel impossible to escape. But here is a big solution. Can karmic pattern actually be changed? Let's dive in and find out. Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're feeling like life keeps sending you the same challenges, you're not alone. Today we are taking an important topic and we truly change our karmic patterns. Karmic patterns are the lessons and the cycles we carry with us, often shaped by past actions, choices, and experiences. While they can feel overwhelming, the good news is that they are not permanent. You have the power to break free and create a new path. Stick around and we explore what karmic patterns are, how they affect us, and most importantly, how to change them. Karmic patterns are like energetic imprints carried over from our past actions, either in this life or from the previous ones. The patterns often manifest as recurring situations, emotions, behavior in our life. For example, constantly attracting the same types of toxic relationship, facing repeated financial and career struggles, battling with self-doubt and feeling of unworthiness in life. These patterns are not meant to punish you. Instead, they are the lessons your soul needs to learn for the growth and healing you really require. To start with, start wearing Release Karmic Baggage Bracelet, which is the energized and the real transformation that you're looking for. Yes, absolutely. While karmic patterns might feel like they are carved in a stone and they are actually more like the habits that can be unlearned, changing a karmic pattern requires self-esteem, self-awareness, self-efforts, spiritual growth, and let's talk about how you can start. Number one, awareness is the first step. You can't change what you don't recognize. Take time to reflect the recurring issues in your life. Ask yourself, what patterns do you notice in your relationships, in your career, in your emotions? Do certain situations or people trigger you in the same way? Is there a lesson that you are ignoring in life? Journaling, meditation, speaking with spiritual guide can help you uncover these patterns, and awareness is just the half battle won. Number two, accept responsibility without blame. It's important to take ownership of your actions, your choices that might be feeding these patterns. This doesn't mean blaming yourself. It means understanding that you have the power to make different choices and move forward in life. For example, if you keep attracting toxic relationship, look how your boundaries of self-worth play a role in your life. If you face financial struggles, explore your relationship with money and limiting beliefs around abundance. Number three, practice forgiveness. Karmic patterns often involve unresolved emotions such as guilt, anger, resentment, and so much more. Forgiveness is a powerful tool to release these energies. Forgive others for their roles in your struggles. Forgive yourself for any mistake or actions that contributed to your cycle. When you let go the emotional weight, you free yourself from the energetic ties that keep the pattern alive. Number four, break the cycle with conscious actions. Once you're aware of the pattern, it's time to act differently. Small, conscious choices can create big shifts over time. If you're stuck in a cycle of overgiving in relationships, start setting boundaries. If fear has held you back in your career, take one brave, big step forward. Each time you make a new choice, you create new energetic imprints, slowly breaking the karmic cycle. Number five, seek spiritual support. Changing karmic patterns is not always easy, and you don't have to be alone in this. Practices like Akashic record reading, energy healings, Akashic record healings, therapies provide clarity and guidance. These tools help you access deeper insights into your soul journey and identify what's holding you back. Number six, cultivate positive karma. While you're working to break your old pattern, it's just as important to create new positive ones. You can do this by practicing kindness, compassion, being honest, being fair in your interactions, living in alignment with your values and truth. Positive actions create positive energy, which helps you dissolve the old karmic patterns. Number seven, which is last but not the least, be patient with yourself. Breaking karmic patterns is a journey, not an overnight tasks that can be fixed anyways. Be patient, compassionate with yourself, as your negativity can really suppress your journey. Celebrate small victories, appreciate yourself. Remember that every step forward, no matter how small, is a progress. Why changing karmic patterns is worth it. When you break a karmic pattern, you're not just improving your life, you're healing your soul level, helping your soul family, helping your lineage, your ancestors. You create a space for a healthier relationship, greater abundance, deeper inner peace. You also set the stage for the future lifetime, clearing the way for smoother journeys ahead. So, can karmic patterns be changed? Absolutely yes. By becoming aware, taking conscious action, seeking support, you have the power to rewrite your story and break free from the old cycles. Now, if you're ready to identify and change your karmic patterns, book your Akashic Record reading with me today. Together, we can deep dive into your soul journey and start the process of healing and transformation. Book your Akashic Record reading now. The link is given in the description box. You can directly book your reading from our website www.sanskriticity.com or connect with us on our WhatsApp number +919634003939. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more insights on your spiritual path. Let's break those patterns and step into your life that you deserve. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and see you soon.